Hey crafty friends, happy Friday. I'm Carla from Carla Arlene Creations, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Happy Halloween cake topper, and it's actually a shaker, as you can see, cake topper. You can find the link to the download in the video description below. So let's get started, and I'll show you how to create your own Happy Halloween cake topper. Hey friends, today we are going to put together the Halloween cake topper. Starting with the main pieces. I am going to glue the purple onto the black. And we're just going to line this up at the bottom. Next is our green piece. And we're going to glue it on. And again, we're going to line it up at the bottom. Make sure the ghost and the spider web line up. Next, I'm going to put together some of the other pieces. I'm going to start with the bat. We're going to set him aside so he can dry. And then we're going to take the spider web piece. Next, I'm going to glue the ghost pieces together. And we'll glue the pumpkin pieces. And then we have 3 pieces for the candy corn. We have a piece of candy. This you have to make sure you get it lined up the right way. And we have our wording. At the top of our cake topper it says Happy Halloween. And then the last thing we need to put together before we start adding all this onto the cake topper is the shaker piece. And we're going to peel the film off of the acetate. And I'm going to take some foam strips and put around this circle. Next, I'm going to add some sequins into the shaker piece. Once you have the amount of sequins you want in your shaker, then you're going to want to take off the film on the foam strips and carefully do this. And we're going to lay the piece of acetate down on top. Next, we're going to put glue on the back of the gold. And glue it to the top of the circle. Okay, and now we're ready to assemble the rest of our cake topper. And I think I'm going to start with the happy, and using some squares. And I'm going to add the word Halloween, doing the same. Next, we're going to add on the bat. Now I'm going to put on the ghost. And we're going to glue this on the shaker piece. We're going to center it. Now we can add on our pumpkin. in our spiderweb. And then I'm going to add the candy corn piece. And we're going to glue the spider on. And I'm just going to put some glue on the back of his body so that he can adhere to the pumpkin. And then we have this little candy piece. I'm going to add some white liquid pearls to the bat, give him eyes. Now all we need to do is glue on our stick so that we can add it to a cake. Okay, now that our glue gun is heated, we're going to turn this over and we are going to add some glue to our straw. And I'm going to glue it in the middle. And there is our cake topper. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make your own Happy Halloween cake topper. Don't forget the download link is in the video description below. I hope you have fun making this, and I look forward to crafting with you again. Happy crafting!